At the annual fun fair, Sam was the enthusiastic attendant, ready to entertain everyone. Just as he began welcoming visitors, a sudden case of the hiccups struck. Each time he tried to speak, a loud hic disrupted his announcements, causing kids and adults to erupt in laughter. Sam's attempts to maintain control only made things worse. He accidentally set off the popcorn machine with a well-timed hiccup. By the end of the day, he had become the star of the fun fair, leaving everyone in stitches and proving that sometimes the best entertainment is completely unexpected.